Welcome back to Wicked F-150, and as you can see, it's not the F-150. It is the Jeep Wrangler again, and we're changing the bulbs in it. Auxbeam LEDs. Now for the Jeep, they are H13, I believe. Yeah, H13, that's what they are. For your low beams. And for this, you just pop out these clips. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them off the top. You pull it off. It's that easy. And then you just pull 4 screws out to pull the whole lens out. There's the plug. These are the 4 screws. Here, here, there, and then one right there. Now they are Torx bits. I don't know what size because I just don't. But it's a small one. Very small. So you definitely want an assortment. But let's go ahead and change these out and see the difference. Alright, so I have driver side in, passenger side still halogen. You can see the difference here. Okay, of course fogs are halogen as well, but that's how much of a difference these Auxbeams can make. They really are a pretty good bulb. Like I said, these are the H13s, of course, for this Jeep, but you have to figure out what style bulb you have for your vehicle. The F-150 in their stock housings are H11s or H9s, and then the 9005 for the high beams. H13 for the Jeep Wrangler, and that will be at least from 15 and up. So take a look at Auxbeam if you're interested in changing your bulbs. Let's get the rest done. All right, now both bulbs are changed. You can see how white they are. From earlier when one was halogen, one was LED. LED is definitely the way to go. It gives you the whiter look, which looks better. Plus, you get a lot more light output. Just make sure you pay attention to the lumens on the bulb. You want a higher lumen. I would say at least 7,000 or up. That way you get good output and you're not wasting your money swapping these out. But as you can see, the cutoff is perfect. The whole way across, it is straight. Now, as you can see, it does look a little brighter right there from the driver's side. The passenger side is on the toolbox. So you can see it's a little brighter right there than it is on the wall. But I just have apparently a horrible laid out garage. But also changed out the reverse lights. So all the Wranglers without a backup camera, you know it's a pain in the ass to see behind you with halogens in there. These are the Auxbeam switchback bulbs. And as you can see, they are extremely white up against the wall here. Now, of course, this is only 1.5 feet, 2 feet away, but they should do very well, giving you a lot more vision backing up, so it's not such a pain in the ass. And these, you literally only take out these 2 screws on the inside, on both sides. The inside 2 screws, pull them out. You can pull this whole housing off. It is that simple. 2 Phillips heads, and you can change the bulb. Of course, I will link them in the description. Oh, if I can squeeze behind here. So that one's also done, but this is the pack they come in. Auxbeam, and of course you have a 1-year warranty from them, and there's no reason they shouldn't last at least that long, if not longer. Now, this set, which I will link, of course will fit for the Wrangler backup lights. It will fit the F-150 lights. For reverse turn signals, they will also fit your Wrangler turn signals, and they are switchback. So if we were to take them out of the reverse lights and put them in here, they would also be white. And then when you turn your turn signal on, they would change to this amber color. Of course, it wouldn't be as dull as the halogen. It would be like the white LEDs. So I hope you guys like them. I hope you click on the link and buy them if you need new LEDs. Have a great weekend. Hit the subscribe button.